everyone, it's Amy from Nail Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I am filming everything that I picked up beauty, skincare wise from America. It's really weird because I'm filming this video first. This is the first video I'm making after my America trip. Jet lag is real, but you're going to see this one like in a few weeks time. So I will try not to repeat myself because by now you would have seen other videos of me talking about why I was in America and what I was doing there. So I'll try and just get straight into it, but I will say if any of you are looking for items that I mentioned, because some of them were on sale, for reference, I was there for the last 2 weeks of July, and I was in Illinois and Michigan. So that's where I picked up these items. So let's get stuck into everything that I bought that wasn't nail polish in America. I did do one Morphe stop up in Illinois. In Chicago, they had a Morphe standalone store. So I did pick up the Continuous Setting Mist. I've tried this before and I really, really enjoy it. And I think that's $16, something like that. And then I picked up some items from the Lucky Charms collaboration. These were reduced and on sale. In fact, a lot of what was in the store was on sale, but I did pick these up and they were bargains. So I did get the Make Some Magic 6 eyeshadow brush kit. And it obviously came in this container, and this was reduced 50% down to $10. So as you can see, nice rainbow bright brushes, and they're all for eyes. So I haven't used these yet, but I'm very excited to. And I don't actually have like a brush container for travel, so that will fill that job very nicely. So the eyeshadow palette itself was reduced down to $3.30. So they were clearly getting rid of it. I'm not sure why, as in, I guess it's because they had too many of them. But part of me was like, oh, is this not going to be a very good palette? But I did try it today so I could kind of let you know in the video. So it's beautiful. I don't know why no one else would want this, but I used this like orangey row here with a little bit of yellow, and I am very happy with how it came out. The orange and the yellow were very pigmented, the glitter was nice. So far so good, and I have a lot of rainbowy, like bright coloured eyeshadow palettes, but I don't have one with the full rainbow in it, so I thought I would grab this one, and for $3.30 it really was a steal. I did one Colorpop order. Colorpop was in Ulta, but it only had the makeup in Ulta. I didn't see in the one that I went to any of their skincare, which is what I was after. So I did pick up one of the Fourth Ray, which is their skincare brand, Reveal 10% AHA serum. I'd had this in the past. You can get Colorpop delivered into the UK, and a couple of times a year they do free international shipping. I loved this when I used it, so I had to repurchase it. It was really, really good. So I did have this delivered to the address where I was staying from Colorpop, and ordered it that way because they didn't have any of the skincare range in Ulta. Bath and Body Works. So I went to a few stores. This is kind of an amalgamation of a couple of different places. So the first thing that I bought was this giant Rainbow Waves candle. This is one of the 3 wick ones, and this was on sale 50% off in the first store I went to. This smells like sunny sangria, bright melon, misty waters and essential oils. It smells divine. I can't wait to use it. I did pick up a couple of pocket bacs. Well, more that my 3-year-old picked them up because they are so cute. So these are the little hand sanitizers that they do. So I got Stay True to You, and I got Pink Peach Blossom. So these will be used. She did also pick up the unicorn dispenser, but I kind of feel like I might use this for myself and have these on my work bag, because I do work for the NHS. So when I'm going into kind of clinical environments, I like to have hand sanitizer with me to make sure that I'm keeping safe and keeping everyone else safe. So these will probably come with me to work. I got one of the Fine Fragrance body mists. I love these, and this is in the Champagne Apple and Honey scent. And I got 3 of the car fragrances. I have one of the dispensers in my car, and it's been a really long time since I've had anything to put in it. So I thought I would grab these, and they were 3 for $10. So I got the Champagne Apple and Honey, like the body spray. I got Flannel, and I got Ocean. Now, towards the end of my trip, they did start to put Halloween out, and Halloween was the cutest thing ever. I wanted to buy it all. We all thought it was so beautiful and so tempting. But I did do 2 of these little candles for $11. So I got Vampire Blood, which is one that I've had in a hand soap before, and it's really fruity. It must be one they have kind of at every Halloween, because I've definitely had it a few Halloweens ago. And the other one was Girlfriend, as I want to keep saying. These small ones don't have the notes on. This is more of a warmer scent, but there also is fruity in there as well. So I highly encourage you to go look at the Halloween line, but only if you have enough money, because there's so much. I would have bought one of everything. We do have Bath & Body Works items available in the UK, but they're only through Next, which is a shop, and they I don't feel like they have the full range, and it is very expensive on there. What I will say is some of these items, I don't know too much. Last time I remember there was loads of items that I could get in the UK and they would be much cheaper in the US. And this time I'm not sure if I bought as much. That's what I can get in the UK. I tried to pick kind of items that I could only get where I was. But say for example with Bath & Body Works, the large candles are normally $25, which I think is about £20 with currency exchange. But in UK they will be £25. So what a lot of brands will do is just move the dollar to pound, but that's actually not, it's more for us. And the same happens with if you're a nail polish person, polish pickup, the prices just go from $12 to £12, which means it's more expensive for us. Like the currency, no one converts and reduces the price, if that makes any sense. I've been on that was a major segue, but just so you know. I did one little Ulta shop whilst we were there, and I only got a few things. My daughter picked up a Whim by Ulta Beauty bath bomb, and this is just in a rainbow look, so she will enjoy that. And I did pick up some of the MAC with Stranger Things. I wanted to pick up more because it was in the reduced to clear sale. I think it was like 30% off, and the packaging is just stunning, and inside packaging is stunning, and oh no, the cover is stunning. That's the blush itself. Friends don't lie. I would have picked up more, but the eyeshadow palettes themselves just weren't cohesive. I would have had to have used something from another eyeshadow palette to make a look. It was kind of like 5 really dark colours, or there was one that was really shimmery, so I didn't buy them. But I did find a blush that I like that you've just seen, which is the Friends Don't Lie. I am wearing it today, so I thought I would pick that up, and packaging is just gorgeous. And I think then the final thing that I bought from Ulta, which I think has leaked very slightly in the packaging because I've already used it once, is the Wet n Wild No Bad Days setting spray, and this is in the Stitch, Lilo and Stitch collection that they did. I wanted to buy a lot more from these funky ranges that Wet n Wild do, but everywhere I went they were either sold out or it was only the core range of Wet n Wild. So I could literally alter from everything from Lilo and Stitch only had the setting mist. So I grabbed it because I could, but I did want a lot more. And segueing from that, I did then find one of the highlighters from the Care Bears Wet n Wild selection, and this was in Walmart. Again, the only item that they had in the Care Bears range that was left. I'm wearing this one today, and this one is Let Your Light Shine. So pretty. But if you're from the US, just let me know if that's a normal thing. I thought I was going to go in, itchy face, and see all the Lilo and Stitch stuff and all the Care Bear stuff, but maybe it's so exclusive, or maybe it's only in those kind of like Ulta places that I didn't look in the right place. But yeah, I would have loved to got some more stuff from that range. We'll do Sephora next. I did do a couple of stops to Sephora. So I did pick up the Lash Favorites Kit, which is not in the box anymore, but the Lash Favorites Kit from Sephora. So it was a Rare Beauty, I don't know if it's just the Rare Beauty mascara. There was a Too Faced Light Camera Lashes. There was a Bad Gal mascara from Benefit. The Lash Idol by Lancome, and then there was a double-ended Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. So what when I bought it I forgot, but then I remembered afterwards that what happens is you get a coupon in the back of your box to then say you can get a full size of the one that you like the most. So later in the trip I went back and got the Lancome one. I haven't tried any of them, but the only ones that I'd not tried in big, well, there's a couple actually. I hadn't tried the Lancome, the Rare Beauty or the Huda, but I was a bit spooked by the Huda being double-ended, and I just don't know enough about Rare. So I thought I would get then a big size Lancome. So the big size Lancome was $27, which was down to free. The kit only cost me $25, so technically I made money on it. Is that what normally happens? This is the big size of the Lancome, and that's the baby size together. So that was another item that I got from Sephora. I then got a Sephora Moisturizing Lip Balm in Watermelon. I've used these before and I really enjoy them. I think the rest of the things were minis that I got. I really like to try minis of skincare. It's one of my favourite pastimes and hobbies. So I did get the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I normally get like little spots on the backs of my arms, so I thought I would try this one as a new item. And I have tried First Aid Beauty before, but not a great amount from them. I got the Olay Henrikssen Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. I've heard so much about this brand but never tried it. And then I did get from the same brand, Ola Henrikssen, the Soothing Scrub Lemonade Soothing Scrub, which looks to be, when I had a little play of it, more of a chemical based exfoliant. It did feel like there was a little bit of scrub in it, but it's mainly AHAs in there. And I do love scrubs, so that was another thing that I got. And a kind of repeat purchase, we can get Mario Badescu over here, and this is one of the facial sprays, but I've never tried the lavender one before, so I picked that one up in the smaller size. And the last thing from there was one of these Tasha sets. This is $25 for 2 items. Everyone talks about Tasha and how it's amazing, so I thought I'd best join the hype. So in that set you did get a deep cleanse, and this is 50 mils of the cleanser, and then the water cream is, I want to say at 15, this is not big, yeah, 15 mil water cream by them. The packaging on first, the cutest thing ever. Again, I hope I don't fall in love because this is very expensive. This was very expensive just for minis, so it's going to be expensive for full price. Somewhere along the way I picked up a Covergirl mascara. This is the Lash Blast Clean. Big fan of the Covergirl mascaras, never tried this one. I think through all my jet-lagged ramblings, I've come to the last purchases, which was the Cosmetics Company store. This was in an outlet place near Grand Rapids in Michigan. So I picked up some items from here, which were all highly discounted from really big brands. So I will go through and tell you the prices of these as well, just in case you're interested. I think from what they were saying that there is these stores all over the country, and I was chatting to the ladies for a little while. They were really lovely and really helpful. So I picked up 3 things from Too Faced that were on sale in there. The first one is the just Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. It looks to just be the original and a full size, so again, I won't question why it was in there and discounted, but I've never tried a full size of this before. And this was, I think it tells me the before and after price of it. The primer was $37 down to $7. I shouldn't ask why, I should just enjoy the products. And then I got the Hangover RX Wash the Day Away Pore Purifying Gentle Foaming Scrub. Let me get this out. So that is what this looks like, and the where is it? The face wash was $24 down to £4 or $4.50. Feels really heavy, like there's a lot of stuff in there. So that is another item. And the last one from Too Faced was the Hangover RX Pillow Cream, which was $42 down to $8. This is all packaged up, so this rips into this. It says an ultra nourishing night cream infused with mineral stardust. What is mineral stardust? This is what it looks like. Isn't this the cutest thing? Oh my goodness, and it's sealed. I cannot, I'm so excited. The packaging on these things just gets me good. Look at that. So cute. Got a Origins Drink Up Intensive. This is only a small size thing. Yeah, this was in like a all $5 bin, and this was $16 down to $5 of the Origins Drink Up Intensive. I then got this, which I don't, oh no, how do I open this? I don't even know. I've managed to get into this. So this is the Photo Finish Primer Trio from Smashbox, and it's 3 travel sizes of their 3 items. I didn't even know that there was the 3 items in the Photo Finish range, but it came in this really cute box that hopefully, yes, I can unveil. So we have the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur, we have the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow, and the Photo Finish Primerizer. So we had those 3 minis in there, and this was $25 down to $5. Bargain. The final item was Glam Glow, and this was $36 down to $18, so this was half price. And this is a set of their masks, their favourite masks. I've used all of these before, so it's just really repurchases of things that I know that I like a lot. So we have a Glam Glow Bright Mud, we have a Glam Glow Super Mud, we have the Glam Glow Glow Starter Primer. That when I used this before, I just used this on like no makeup days because it gives like a light glow to the skin. And then we have the Glam Glow Youth Mud. But then as I've just opened this up, there is also two sample sachets of Bright Eyes Hydrating Eye Cream. Whoa, I thought that I was fine and not feeling tired at all, but as I've started to film this, I started to feel a bit like, you need to go back to bed. So that's the final little kit that I got in there. So that was everything that I picked up beauty, skincare, Bath and Body Works wise, non-nail polish from America. I had a great time. You would have heard a bit more about it in other videos, which I haven't filmed yet. But yeah, I had a great time. I picked up a lot of things, but hopefully from you can see, I kind of tried to shop either things that I couldn't get or things that were on sale. But I'm excited to try all of this. Very much so. As you can see from that, I've already used like 3 or 4 items in today's video on my face. So I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for voting that you wanted to see this. I've been really happy to show it all with you and share. Let me know any comments and thoughts and feelings you have down below. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you soon. Bye.